आवर नेगेटिव थिंकिंग माइंड टू द पॉजिटिव। उसको समझना भी बहुत जरूरी है। तो आप उसको कैसे समझेंगे? वुड एनीवन लाइक टू से? उसको आप कैसे समझेंगे कि मेरा माइंड नेगेटिव हो रहा है या मैं कंप्लेन मोड में जा रहा हूँ, मेरी हैबिट बन रही है?
Ma'am, we
हाउ
should
विल
be
यू
grateful.
अंडरस्टैंड दैट?
Ma'am, we should be grateful to our lives.
सॉरी संदीप, आई कांट हियर यू।
Hello,
नो, इट्स वेरी वेरी लो। प्लीज
hello,
बी
hello,
लाउड।
hello.
हाँ, अब ठीक है, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो।
Yes, ma'am, we should be grateful to our lives. We should be thankful to our lives
यस, वेरी नाइस।
by saying thank you to our lives,
बट हम वो कैसे
what
समझेंगे
God
कि
has given us.
या बट हमें कैसे समझ आएगी कि हम यू नो हम हम एक कंप्लेन मोड में जा रहे हैं, हम एक हैबिट फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, हम ये बार 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 हो रहा है हमारी लाइफ में, हम वो कैसे समझेंगे?
Because, ma'am, we do daily make excuses on every task.
यस,
Yes,
वी कैन डू दिस बाय प्रैक्टिसिंग, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड।
yes, ma'am.
जब हम कोई टास्क करते हैं, व्हेन वी आर इन दैट मोड, कहते हैं ना, बार बार उसको समझो, उस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझो। अगर आपको अभी मैं बोलूं कि अच्छा फिर से आप शुरू कर दो पढ़ाई करना इस टॉपिक पे, तो आप बोलो अरे इसको तो पढ़े मुझे बहुत साल हो गए, आई नीड टू
Yes, ma'am.
रिफ्रेश माई माइंड।
Yeah,
या
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सिमिलरली यू नीड टू प्रोग्राम। फिर ये नहीं कि आप भूल जाते हैं, बट यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस। एंड मैजिक वर्क्स इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ इनविजिबल, इट वर्क्स इन इनविजिबल रेल्म। जब आप प्रैक्टिस छोड़ देते हैं तो मैजिक भी छुप जाता है। इट इज लाइक दैट।
Obviously, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So let's, I'll show you a beautiful video which talks about this concept. Let me share this with you. Just a minute.
इसमें
वो
वॉइस
कई
नहीं
बार
करती।
वो कई बार होता है कि ऑडियो वो, हाँ, कई बार ऐसे होता है उसमें, बट
आई
दैट्स
थिंक
फाइन, आई विल सेंड यू अगेन। मैं बहुत चुन चुन के वीडियोस, आई स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम सर्चिंग फॉर यू व्हिच शुड रिलेट टू द टॉपिक व्हिच व्हाट वी आर डूइंग। इट शुड
The
रिलेट
voice was
टू।
little breaking.
वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है?
Little breaking.
ओके,
Just video me.
वीडियो में? अच्छा, मैंने सोचा मैं।
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
ओके, फाइन, दैट्स गुड। सो did you enjoy watching the video? What message did you get?
Obviously, ma'am. I told you earlier, ma'am, we should be grateful to our
यस,
lives.
यस, एब्सोल्युटली। तो मतलब जो है हमारे पास उसको होल्ड करें, उसके बारे में सोचें, उस पे फोकस करें। आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन लाइक इन माय हाउस आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से कि मेरा घर बहुत छोटा है, सेकंड फ्लोर पे है, मुझे ऊपर नीचे करना पड़ता है। तो आई यूज्ड टू फील, there was, I was in that complaint mode. I used to get at times. But then I realized that no, this is a beautiful house. It is so open. There are lots of windows and galleries in this house. There's a neem tree beside this house, and it gives me all the comfort and luxuries which I need. It is so peaceful. I sit quietly in my room and I can do my work so peacefully. It's a beautiful colony. So somehow I managed to find out the reasons for being grateful. That is what it is.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start reading now, and we start with the reading session. Okay, just 1 minute. So today's topic is day one. Count your blessings. Sangeeta nominated for today. Is she there? Sangeeta? There's another Sangeeta in the group.
Yes, ma'am.
So who will read? Yaneshwar?
आई विल रीड मैम।
Anjali?
यस मैम।
Okay, you read. So day one, Count your blessings.
Blessings.
Yeah. Before starting this, I would like to ask, did you do your assignment yesterday? I had told you. Because the key to magic is assignment. अगर आप असाइनमेंट करते हैं तो आगे बढ़ते हैं, नहीं तो वो फिर वो आपको रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा. Because it is my commitment that you improve and you get what you want and what you are here for, the purpose is, met. तो किस किसने असाइनमेंट करी है? Going back to school time.
Mm,
Assignment नहीं हुई. Did you write your dreams?
mm.
No.
List.
Okay. संदीप ने लिखे हैं?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
I was quite
did you
busy.
watch the secret movie I had sent in group? Watch it today and do the assignment. During this class only what we'll do is we'll write जो आपकी top priority की तीन ड्रीम्स हैं, जो आपके तीन ड्रीम्स वो अभी लिखेंगे हम. So whatever I speak, I want that you all take a notebook and pen और वो आप लिखा करो जो जो points आपको लगता है ज़रूरी, क्योंकि बाद में कितना याद रहेगा. And
Yeah.
write those points. And assignment का मैं आपको बता दूंगी आज कि अपनी blessings को हमने कैसे लिखना है. So we'll start with the first manifestation today after we uh, get done with the reading. Yeah, Anjali, please start.
Should I start, ma'am?
Yeah.
When I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. Willie Nelson, singer, songwriter. You will have heard people say to count your blessings when you think
Can
about the things.
everyone hear? आप सबको सुनाई दे रहा है? Can you
Yes, ma'am.
listen?
She is audible.
Audible? अंजलि थोड़ा हाँ और जोर से बोलो.
You will have heard people say to count your blessings, and when you think about the things you are grateful for, that's exactly what you are doing. But what you may not have realized is that counting your blessings is one of the most
Powerful.
um, line is mismatched. Most powerful most powerful practices you can ever do, and it will magical turn your whole life around. When you are grateful for the things you have, no matter how small they may be, you will see those things instantly increase. If you are grateful for the money you have, however little, you will see your money magically grow. If you are grateful for a relationships, even if it's, ma'am, scroll the lines.
इसी में थोड़ा. Yeah.
Not perfect, you will see it miraculously get even better. You are grateful for the job that you have, even if is it not your dream job. Things will begin to change so that you enjoy your job more, and all kinds of opportunity for your work will suddenly appear. The flip side is that when we are not counting our blessings, we can fall into the trap uh, trap of unintentionally counting negative things. We count negative things when we talk about the things we don't have. We count negative things when we criticize or find fault with other people. When we complain about traffic, waiting in lines, delay, the government not enough money, or the weather. When we count negative things, they increase too. But on the top of that, with every negative things we count, ma'am, we we count we cancel out blessings that were on their, this sentence, this word was not clear.
That were on their way.
On their way.
I have tried both counting and my blessings and counting negative things, and I can assure you that counting your blessings is the only way to have abundance in your life. Better to lose count while naming your blessings than to lose your blessings to counting your troubles.
Maltby D. Babcock, he's the writer and clergyman. Okay.
First thing in the morning, as or as early in the day, you can count your blessings. You can write out your list by hand, type it on a computer, or use a special book or journals, and keep all of your gratitude in one place. Today you are going to make a simple list of 10 blessings in your life you are grateful for. When Stensons gave thanks, he thought about
Einstein.
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 Einstein. When Einstein gave thanks, he thought about why he was grateful. When you think about the reason why you are grateful for a particular thing, person, or situation, you will feel gratitude more deeply. Remember that the magic of gratitude happens according to the degree of your feelings. So, with each item on your list, write the reason why you are grateful for it.
Yeah.
Here are some idea for writing your list. I am truly blessed to have what, because why. I am so happy and grateful for what, because why. I am truly grateful for what, because why. With all my heart, thank you for what, because why. After you have finished making your list of 10 blessings, go back and read each one, either in your mind or out loud. When you get to the end of the each blessing, say the magic of the words 3 times: thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel the gratitude for that blessings as much as you possibly can. You
Okay.
help
So
your
here, like when you write your gratitude statement, मैं एक आपको एग्जाम्पल ग्रुप में डाल दूंगी हाउ टू राइट, बट इसमें भी दिया हुआ है. So you will write, I'm blessed and grateful for my beautiful house. Whatever, जैसे अगर आप घर के बारे में लिख रहे हैं, because it gives me all the comfort and luxuries I need. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is how you write. You can write about your health, about your partner, about job, जो भी आपको लगता है, where you are great, you can be grateful for, you write. तो
you
आपको
help
क्या करना है, आपको ढूंढना है कहाँ कहाँ पे वो कौन सी चीजें हैं जिनके लिए आप ग्रेटफुल हो सकते
Yes,
हैं.
ma'am. Yes,
You have to
ma'am.
dig in. It is a treasure. So today you have to do that treasure hunt. Yeah, please.
to help you feel more gratitude. You can grateful to the universe, God, spirit, goodness, life, your greater selves, or any other concept you are drawn to. When you direct gratitude towards something or someone, you will feel it even more, and your gratitude will have even more power and create more magic. It's the reason why indigenous and ancient cultures choose symbols like the sun to direct their gratitude towards. They were simply using physical symbols to represent the universe, source of the goodness, and in the focusing on the symbols, they felt more gratitude. The practice of counting your blessings is so simple and so powerful, altering your life, that I want you to continue to add 10 more blessings to your list every day for next 27 days. You might think you might think it could be difficult to find 10 things you are grateful for every day, but more you think about it, the more you will realize how much you have to be grateful for. Look closely at your life you have received, and continuing to receive so much each and every day. There is a really so much to give thanks for. You could be grateful for your home, your
Family.
family, your friends, your work, and your pets. You could be thankful for the sun and the water that you drink, the food that you eat, the air that you breathe. Without any of them, you would not be alive. You could be grateful for the trees, the animals, the oceans, the bird, the flower, the plant, blue skies, rain, and the stars, the moon, and our beautiful planet Earth. You could be grateful for your senses, your eyes that see, your ears that hear, your mouth that tastes, your nose that smells, your skin that enables you to feel. You could be the grateful for the legs you walk on, your hand that you use to do almost everything, your voice that enables you to express yourself and communicate with each other. You could be thanks for your amazing immune system that keeps you well, and all of your organs that maintain your body so that you can live. And what about the magnificence of your human mind, which no computer technology in the world can duplicate? Here is the list of the subject that will remind of you of the major areas you can look for the blessings to be grateful for. You can also add any subject you want to, depending on what is important to you at any time. Magic gratitude subject: health and body, work and success, money, relationships, passion, happiness, love, life, nature, planet earth, air, water and the sun, material goods and services, any subject of your choosing. You should feel significantly better and happier after each time you count your blessings. And how good you feel is your measure of how much gratitude you felt. The more gratitude you felt, the happier you will feel, and he faster your life, and the faster your life will change. Some days you will feel happy really quickly, and other days it may take a little longer, but as you continue to count your blessings every day, you will notice
A bigger.
a bigger and bigger difference in the way you feel each time, and you will see your blessings magically multiply. Magic reminder: make sure to read tomorrow's magical
Practice.
practice sometime today, as you will need to do something specify before you begin is tomorrow.
Okay. Before we, I tell you about the practice. Gratitude is something which will transform your life. तो जब हम शुक्राना मोड में आते हैं, एक भी अगर हमने कंप्लेंट करी, दिस देयर इज अ रूल व्हिच विल कम लेटर, वन कंप्लेंट इज इक्वल टू 10 ग्रैटिट्यूड्स. तो अगर एक भी कंप्लेंट करी तो उसकी लाइफ लाइन यूज कर लो कि अच्छा मैंने ये बोला मगर ये भी ठीक है इसके साथ.
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
मुझे एक चीज की कमी लग रही है तो मुझे दूसरी चीज में अच्छा भी लग रहा है, इस चीज में और भी कुछ है जो मैं आई कैन लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. So that is the way you can, come out of that negativity. These are called mood shifters, जो आप अपने नेगेटिव जोन से बाहर आके पॉजिटिव जोन में को इमीडिएटली आप आ सकते हैं.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
magic reminder. So for before we do the today's assignment, we need to also understand what is the assignment, the practice. So
ये
after
ऊपर से
this, we
सामान
will
उठा
also
लेंगे
do
5 मिनट बाद
the magic practice number 2, just to understand. Okay, please read, Anjali.
Magic practice number one: count your blessings. First thing in the morning, make a list 10 blessings in your life you are grateful for. Write
Ma'am,
why you are
disturbances.
grateful for each blessings.
Please mute. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Please read.
Ma'am, here is two point only.
क्या?
सिर्फ मैम 2 ही पॉइंट है इधर में.
हाँ, मैं कर रही हूँ.
Go back and read your list either in your mind or out loud. When you get to the end of each one, say the magic words, thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel the gratitude for that blessings as much as you possibly can. Repeat the first three step of the magically practice every morning for the next 20, let me scroll the line, next 27 days. Read tomorrow's magical practice today.
Yeah. So we'll read the practice. First, let us understand. You can note down, or otherwise, I have sent you the PDF. You can see.
Ma'am, this is the same PDF you have texted
Ma'am,
yesterday.
नहीं नहीं अभी मैं एक मिनट रिपीट कर रही हूँ देन आई विल गो टू चैप्टर 2's
okay.
yeah. So count first you need to do is first thing in the morning make a list of 10 blessings in your life you are grateful for. जो जो आपको चीजें लग रही है जिनके लिए आप ग्रेटफुल हो सकते हो वो आप लिखोगे साथ में लिखोगे बिकॉज जैसे मैंने बताया आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई हाउस बिकॉज आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई पार्टनर बिकॉज you know he supports me cares for me
Because.
I'm grateful for this house because this. Okay, any questions about today's chapter or assignment? Then I'll go to the next practice.
Ma'am, no question, but I want to say something that I'm loving your session.
Yeah, please tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, you are?
Yes, ma'am, I am loving your session.
Very nice. I'm so happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll have more to do in this topic today, so that's why I'm just doing it quickly. You need to understand two things: how you write those blessings, and at the end you will say thank you, thank you, thank you. That's it. After that, when you write, is the topic. I'll just tell you. Yeah. So this is magic practice number 2. What you need to do is आपको एक मैजिक रॉक लेनी है.
Magic
Magic
rock.
rock, I will show you the kind of rock which I have. It's a kind of small stone जो हाथ में आ जाए बिल्कुल छोटा सा. I will this is a big stone, not a big stone like this, but smaller than this. Um, so actually it is very small, but you can have a bigger one also. So something like this. Uh, जैसे पेबल्स होते हैं
Yes,
And
ma'am.
we can use our
जैसे किसी को
paperweight,
प्लांट्स के
paper
साथ आते हैं वाइट या कुछ भी ऐसा पेबल कोई स्टोन
marbles,
मार्बल्स
Marbles.
यस
कंचे.
ऐसा स्टोन लेना है बस आपको आज आज ढूंढना है वो स्टोन आपको घर पे ही मिल जाएगा नहीं तो पार्क में कहीं बाहर इधर उधर कहीं से भी आप ढूंढ यू विल फाइंड इट आई एम श्योर
Ma'am, I have paperweight. I have paperweight.
वो तो बहुत बड़ा होगा इतना छोटा है क्या पेपर वेट
No, ma'am.
जैसे ये तो दिस इज टू स्मॉल यू कैन हैव अ बिगर वन you can have a big so you have to find out that magic rock and because tomorrow's practice is based on that and
Oh,
just that you have to find it okay so one thing you will write I am blessed and grateful for what whatever thing you feel that you are grateful for आप लिख सकते हैं कि मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ इसके लिए कि मेरे पास ये है क्योंकि
yes, ma'am.
मुझे उसमें कंफर्ट मिलता है मुझे वो बहुत आराम देती है मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ अपने फ़ोन का कि मैं हर समय कुछ भी सुन सकता हूँ मैं देख सकता हूँ मैं अपनी
Yes,
क्लासेस
ma'am.
अटेंड कर रहा हूँ you know
Yes,
so you have
yes.
to write a reason attached to it and at the end say thank you thank you thank you धन्यवाद 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 so you got it for today's assignment and please do it if you have a notebook and a pen I would like you to write it down and write about the three dreams which I wanted you to write. So I'm just seeing Ganeshwar. Hello, Ganeshwar, and hello, Sangeeta. Where were you? I was looking for you. Please unmute and speak.
Hi, Sangeeta.
Hi, hi, Ganeshwar. Good to have you here.
Hi.
Yeah, I hope you all are enjoying.
Yeah, definitely.
So, any share, anything you want to add on to this, your views?
No, till now you're doing very good, and all of them are learning so many things and new things.
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
It's a lo-
thank you.
Hello Sangeeta, hi.
Hi, Sangeeta. Looking for you.
I'm I'm very very sorry. आज मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी शायद. I I wrote something on your chat. Please
अच्छा,
do आप
मैंने
पढ़
देखा
लेना.
है. अच्छा, आपने
और
मुझ पे
मुझे
लिखा हो.
आज की सेशन का प्लीज मुझे रिकॉर्डिंग भेजो या मुझे कुछ भेजो.
Yeah, I was. Your space was.
हाँ जी, मैंने रीजन लिख दिया है. थोड़ा
अच्छा,
पर्सनल रीजन है, मैंने लिख
अच्छा,
दिया है.
okay. I'll see. मैं देखती हूँ.
I'm really sorry for that for today.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm just seeing. Sorry because I was busy with the reading. उसको scroll करना पड़ता है बार-बार, तो मैं वही देख रही थी. I missed the chats. So
But still आपकी बात मैं मान रही हूँ. But still we are blessed.
yeah.
Although ये सारी problems हैं, problems नहीं challenges हैं life के, फिर भी I am very grateful to God कि मैं अभी भी blessed हूँ.
And wish
कि
Surinder ji very very good health and lots of blessings to him from all of
thank
us.
you,
From
thank you
all of us.
Sangeeta,
God bless.
thank you so much,
Yeah.
thank you.
So let's
So I
move
will
on.
join you tomorrow.
Okay, okay. अभी तो अंजलि ने पढ़ लिया, so we nominate your name for tomorrow. No problem. Take
Okay,
care.
thank you. Okay, okay Sangeeta, thanks a lot.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye, love you. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Love you too. Bye. So let's watch this another beautiful message. Gratitude about. Okay. So you must understand that when you get into the negative feeling zone and how to convert it to positive feeling zone. That is through your mood shifters, by understanding, not forming a habit, Shukrana. So today being the first day of like chapter 1, gradually and slowly as we go with each chapter, a new chapter is going to open in your life where you will understand the different techniques of changing this attitude. The first thing I want you to do is that I'll just stop the share because first want you to tell me what are those positive feelings, what are those good feelings which you get. Can you name some?
Love,
Yeah.
satisfaction,
Yes.
and
All, please, you can write in the chat box or you can you know put yourself on unmute and then speak, because we want the answers from all of you. What are those you
we
know
feel
things?
we feel blessed what we have. So
Yeah,
many things we have right
gratitude.
now.
So love and gratitude comes on the top
Yes, ma'am.
about the good feeling zone. And what else? Compassion, satisfaction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
feel blessed, happiness. That is there.
Happen.
And negative feeling में क्या क्या आता है?
hate, revenge,
Revenge, okay.
sorrow,
And
hate, revenge, sorrow,
yes,
mm,
Anger.
anger.
Feeling of disparaging someone.
Very nice.
Criticizing someone.
Perfect.
Yeah, disparaging is the same thing.
Yeah, you
Okay,
got
okay.
that. So the idea is कि जब आप नेगेटिव मोड में चले जाते हैं तो आप इतनी लो वाइब्रेशन में चले जाते हैं, you get into lot of negativity in your mind and it is
Hate.
so difficult to come out of it. It is
Yes, ma'am.
very,
Hate,
very difficult.
depression.
You need to struggle and you need to find out about yourself, and then only you can do it and only you can take the charge of it. No one else can do. The thing is that you need to be aware of it. How ये आप छोड़ दो किसी पे. How will be taken care of by the universe? You just work on what you need to do. And that is my commitment to you. I'm repeating that if you do the assignment, because the key to magic is assignments. If you do the assignments, you are going to experience magic in your life. But you need to be committed, because I am taking responsibility for all of you. And thank you, all of you, for joining here and taking charge of your life. तो ये जो मैं आपको दिखा रही थी, I'll share again. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the good feelings are love, gratitude, friends, joy, compassion, happiness, celebration, satisfaction.
Yes.
और एक चेन से जो इसको अलग कर रही है वो है
Bad feelings.
boredom, bad feelings, arrogance, blame, anger, hate, resentment, guilt. Guilt भी बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिव फीलिंग दे देता है. अरे
Bad
मुझसे गलती
attitude.
हो गई, मैं तो पढ़े ही नहीं, मैंने तो यही नहीं करा, मैं लास्ट मोमेंट आ गई. बट यू जस्ट कीप ऑन, टाइम आप निकालते
Complain.
जाते हैं और फिर लास्ट
Complain.
में गिल्ट आ जाता है कि अरे मैंने क्यों नहीं करा टाइम से. सो मेनी टाइम्स इट हैपन कि आप देर तक सोए और ओह आई ओवरस्लेप्ट. सो यू गेट दैट गिल्ट फीलिंग. दैट इज आल्सो अ नेगेटिव फीलिंग, क्योंकि वो बार बार फिर वही फीलिंग आती है. You get some other situations where you need to be guilty for. That also happens.
हमें यही सोचना चाहिए कि जो अवेलेबल टाइम है उसमें हम क्या अच्छा कर सकते हैं.
क्या? Sorry?
मैम, जो हमें सोचना चाहिए कि टाइम निकल गया है, लेकिन जो अवेलेबल टाइम है उसमें हमें क्या करना
क्या
चाहिए,
सोचना चाहिए?
प्रोडक्टिव करना चाहिए.
क्या प्रोडक्टिव कर सकते हैं? डिप्रेशन, रिवेंज, वरी, फियर. तो जब आप असाइनमेंट्स करते हैं, यू गेट इनटू दैट मोड. इट्स ऑटोमेटिक. आप अपने आप से उस मोड में आ जाते हैं. दैट इज देयर.
Okay, Sangeeta,
Another,
I'm sorry I have to leave the meeting now. But thank you so much for the lovely share.
Can you
Just
see this
think about it.
gratitude statement? Actually, I couldn't try to make this bigger. Can you see? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Now we can see, but it's too small.
It's too small, so I will enlarge it and then put it across later.
We can make it large by swiping.
Why?
Ma'am, if you will zoom
Like we
in,
can make it large by swiping ourselves on
Yeah.
our screen.
अच्छा, आप तो कर सकते हो अपने स्क्रीन पे, है ना? So I can show it to you. Yes. Just a moment. Yeah. Please read.
shields you from negativity. Did you know gratitude shields you from negativity, makes you at least 25% happier, rewires your brain, eliminates stress, heals, improves sleeps, boosts self-esteem and performance, enhances the law of attraction, improves relationships.
Yes. So much you can do with just by doing gratitude. That is the power of gratitude. It can absolutely transform your life to 360 degrees. Okay, so next I would like to add on to this is that there is power of manifestation. which we will understand today. We'll start understanding the first thing which is required for manifestation. Manifestation क्या होता है? जब आपको चीज किसी को कुछ आप शो कर रहे हैं, you are proving something. Like आप चाहते हैं, जो आपका ड्रीम है, सपोज कि मेरे अच्छे नंबर आए, तो उसके लिए आप कैसे मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं? जो आप एक्शन ले रहे हैं वो तो अलग है, स्टडिंग तो अलग है, उसके अलावा आप जो कर सकते हैं कि मैं एफर्मेशंस जो मैं बात कर रही थी, यू कैन से बाय डूइंग, आप लिख कर, बोलकर, सुनकर, देखकर, कल्पना करके, ये 5 तरीके से आप मैनिफेस्टेशन कर सकते हैं. सो टुडे वी आर डूइंग द फर्स्ट थिंग, लिखकर ग्रैटिट्यूड को लिखकर हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. And I have shown you the technique. I will also write the statement in the group, how to write the gratitude statement, because that we'll be doing every day for next 27 days. And that is so important. All right. By writing, speaking, hearing, and seeing and visualizing. These are the 5 techniques which you will be doing one by one. Also, I would like to, I'll be inviting few dignitaries on this platform who will join this group, or maybe come for, they'll share their views, they will share their, how they manifested things, how they are from different walks of life. They're from a spiritual background, they can be from the finance background, they can be from, even here we have wonderful people with her. Here we have doctors, here we have lawyers, here we have artists here, and all of us are unique people. We all have some qualities, we just need to identify our quality within us. हमें वो क्या खास बात है, क्या uniqueness है? Because for God and for the universe, we all are the same. We all are unique. We all are special. Whatever he does the best thing for us. तो ये 5 तरीके से हम इसको manifest करेंगे. And I want you to write now 2 statements that you are grateful for. You can write about anything you feel you are grateful for. Please write now. Abhi likhiye. Can you write? You can write on your notebook, you can write on your laptop, your phone. Please write. Ab likhiye.
Ma'am, do we have to write the reasons also?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I am blessed and grateful for my beautiful house. I'm just giving an example because it gives me all the comfort and luxuries I need. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is book में भी लिखा है. I'm just repeating कि आपको ऐसे लिखना है. आपको 10 तो बाद में लिख लेना, but अभी just in the class you write 2 statements.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 5 days back it was your birthday.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Belated happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for remembering.
Yeah, ma'am. We celebrated in Aptech. You remember that?
Yeah. Yes.
Belated happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Anjali.
Belated happy birthday, Sangeeta.
Thank you, Gyaneshwar. So nice of you. Thank you. Okay, is it done? Please write
No,
done
ma'am.
in the chat box.
Okay.
We need to discuss if
Only
it's
1
done.
point is done.
Very nice. देखो हमें ढूंढना पड़ रहा है कि क्या अच्छा है हमारे लिए.
No, ma'am. Actually, the reason is so.
हाँ,
I have
उसका
to write.
reason ढूंढना है कि क्यों. क्यों? Because we pay our gratitude, but वो willingness नहीं है. That is why we need to write क्यों. Willingness मतलब अंदर से हमें वो feeling नहीं आती है. हम ऊपर से थैंक यू बोल देते हैं, but we need to have that feeling. For that we need because. Please write done in the chat box if you are if you have done. You can write on your mobile, your laptop, your notebook.
Done.
Okay. Everybody
2 points,
done?
right?
Okay, good. So you got that? That I am blessed and grateful for this because this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So it has to be in that form. Everyone has done?
Yeah.
All right. So any questions for today? और anything you want to ask? कुछ आप पूछना चाहते हैं, कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हैं, कुछ ऐड करना चाहते हैं? तो we would love to have your views. How was the session? Please write in the chat box or you
Good,
unmute
ma'am.
and say, how was the session?
Ma'am, it was so nice.
Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you.
And we can learn the art of gratefulness from the Helen Keller story. Like she has nothing, like no eyes to see, no ears to hear, no tongue to speak a word. She
Yeah.
always being sick and ill.
तो आपके पास तो है ना, you have that tongue to speak, you have that ears to hear. So for what you
Yeah,
have,
and
you need
just
to be
like
grateful.
when she can be happy and grateful, yeah, like even she don't have those things, still she can grateful, then why won't we?
Yes, you can be. Like in later classes, we'll understand in later chapters how can we be grateful for what not we have. Wow, talking about that, but that would come later. Now first we'll understand जो है immediately पहले हम उसको address करेंगे और उसी में हम खुशियां ढूंढेंगे. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, ma'am, I'm grateful for so many things
Yes.
which I have.
Definitely. Definitely. So हमें हमें लगता है कि ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, but सब कुछ है. बच्चे भी हैं, घर भी है और सब ठीक चल रहा है, हेल्थ भी ठीक है. So we need to be grateful for these small things. And actually they are not small, they are so big. Okay, from Sethi. The
Recently I
session
have
was
bought
too nice and learned new things. As for me, everyone learned magic in today's session. Yes, today was the beginning of the magic session, and you will find new techniques, new ways every day. People joining and sharing. That is the wonder of magic. So, anything else anyone wants to share, or we
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए.
Ma'am, I'm really blessed for having a bicycle which I bought 3 weeks back.
Very
I
nice.
really wanted, I really wanted a bicycle for a long time, so I can go
Okay.
anywhere without any fear of petrol or any legal documents. I don't have any license now,
अच्छा.
so ma'am.
Good, good.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
you have started finding
Yes, ma'am.
so many things
Totally.
to be grateful for.
Yeah,
That's
ma'am.
wonderful.
Totally.
Very nice. Good, good. That's
And
great.
that's why I was loving your session.
हम्म. क्योंकि हम सब भूले बैठे हैं. पहले जब हम छोटे थे तो ये छोटी छोटी खुशियों में हम समझते थे, हम रियलाइज करते थे.
Yes, ma'am.
But जैसे जैसे बड़े हो गए हम भूल गए कि what is the art of being grateful and how to be grateful. And this book teaches us everything. Yeah. Anyone else wants to add? Anjali, Savita Bhabi, Minnie wants to say something.
I feel gratitude to the God because He gives me everything beyond my expectation.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Good. That is the thought, you know. That is what should be there. So you already have it in you. You just need to amplify it. आप में वो क्वालिटी है कि आप उसको समझो. Very nice. Good. Anything you want to add, Sangeeta? Taran? Okay. So we end our session here and we meet tomorrow, same time. Please find a rock, a small rock, can be pebble, can be marble, any stone, smaller one, which is very, comfortable. You can hold it comfortably in your hand and it's very soft. छोटा सा पत्थर, बहुत छोटा भी नहीं, ठीक हो, जो आपके हाथ में आ जाए. I have
Ma'am,
put in my view dear. मुझे नहीं दिखा तरन, आपने कहाँ लिखा है? Okay. I missed your views, Taran. I didn't see. Okay. Yeah. Taran has written love, care, support, happiness, protection, gratefulness. Blessed. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Taran. All right, then. See you all tomorrow. Please do your assignment of writing 10 blessings. जो भी चीज़ें आपको लगता है कि आपकी लाइफ में मैजिक ला रही हैं, जो चीज़ें आपको लगता है फॉर देम यू नीड टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर, please write it down in the format that I have told you and find a rock. That is the assignment for today. And see you all tomorrow. Have a
ma'am,
great day. Be magical. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you to you too.
ma'am,
Thank you so much. Thank you.
ma'am, can you please share the PDF?
PDF तो मैंने भेजा था इसका मैजिक बुक का.
Ma'am, is it the same one you shared yesterday?
Yeah, it is the same one. वो तो
Okay.
मैंने कंपाइल करा था, उसको मैंने समरी बना दी थी क्योंकि फर्स्ट जो 7 पार्ट्स थे दे वर टू लॉन्ग, सो आई समराइज्ड इट. अगर वो हम पूरा पढ़ते तो 2 घंटे लग जाते, तो आई डिड ऑल दैट. सो व्हाटएवर आई
I
शेयर.
think it is of 598 pages.
हाँ, वैसे तो ज्यादा.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
तो मैंने पीडीएफ भेज दिया, तो उसी से पढ़ेंगे. इनफैक्ट आई विल फाइंड अनदर पीडीएफ वेयर वी कैन हैव इट, यू कैन रीड इट इन द बुक फॉर्म. लेट मी डू दैट टुडे एंड वी मीट टुमारो.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
sure.
you so much,
I'm
ma'am.
seeing a new message. Yeah, Taran. Okay. What you meant in the entire session is the universe is not punishing you, it is not blessing you, not controlling. The universe only responds to the vibration you are creating. Think happy and happiness will come. In other words, what we put in the universe, we'll get back like an echo. Wonderful. Thank you, Taran. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you, everyone.
Ma'am, I
Take
am so
care.
grateful to have you here.
Thank you. Pleasure is mine to have you all here. You all are the blessed one. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye. Bye,
Bye bye,
everyone.
ma'am.